Who is Pythagoras? 1. Life history of Pythagoras. Pythagoras is thought to have been born on the island of Samos in 570 BC. He was the son of Nisarchos, a rich merchant. Pythagoras married Tino, daughter of Pydnax of Crete. They had 2 sons named Telogs and Arignote, and a daughter named Maia. Pythagoras loved studying science. He learned many things from several famous teachers of his time, such as Thales and Pharkites. In 535 BC, he migrated to Egypt to study there. From many great teachers in Egypt, Pythagoras learned a lot about astronomy and geometry. Then he returned from Egypt to Samos in 535 BC. In 530 BC, he left Samos and went to Croton because he did not like the government, which was acting arbitrarily at that time. Later, he founded a school in Croton, and many followers of his teachings were called Pythagoreans. Pythagoras died in 495 BC. 2. Pythagorean thought. Pythagoras observed the phenomena around him and understood that every object has a shape. The shapes of each of these objects are different. In other words, Pythagoras discovered that everything has a measure. This size is determined and comes from numbers. This number is not physical or cannot be seen. Numbers can only be seen from their form, namely physical objects. Therefore, according to Pythagoras, everything originates from numbers. The number 1, which consists of 1, is the origin of the number 2, and so on. It symbolizes the origin of all things. This dyad, consisting of 2 points, is a line of every material. This means representing the material. The number 3 is an ideal number because it has 3 points, namely beginning, middle, and end. The number 3 is also the smallest number that can form a shape, namely a triangle. The number 4 is a symbol of the 4 seasons and 4 elements, namely water, fire, earth, and air. The number 5 is a symbol of marriage because it is the result of adding the number 2, which is even, and the number 3, which is odd. The number 6 is a special number because the number 1, number 2, and number 3, if added or multiplied, the result is the number 6. The number 7 is considered sacred because it is the number of planets that had been discovered at that time and the number of strings on the lyra musical instrument, and the birthday of the god Apollo is celebrated on the 7th day of every month. The number 8 is a symbol of good luck because there is an 8th realm, namely, the residence of the gods. The number 9 is a symbol of sadness because in Greek mythology, where souls are transported to the underworld, it is depicted as having 9 curves, and the number 9 is close to the lucky number, the number 8. The number 10 is considered a perfect number because humans can count numbers using 10 fingers. Odd numbers are masculine, while even numbers are feminine. This principle of numbers being the source of all things also resulted in the very famous Pythagorean theory. Namely, the Pythagorean theorem. According to Pythagoras, everything originates from numbers. The universe originates from the proportions of numbers. Apart from the universe, Pythagoras also believed that the human soul was like a number. Numbers are eternal, they can shape matter according to proportion. The human soul is also immortal. When a human dies, the soul remains immortal and moves to a new body, whether it is a human body, even an animal or plant body. Thank you for watching, see you in the next discussion.